Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Facebook profile has some issue. So the first thing you have to do, you have to open up your Facebook app just like this and log into your account if you aren't logged in. So it might be as a result of violating the community guideline on Facebook. That was why you had the issue, or you just saw the message pop up on your Facebook account. So the first step you have to take is you click on the three horizontal line, right, and scroll down, see security and privacy. You can scroll, and if you don't have report a problem, then you can go back and you'll be able to see help and support. Click on help and support and you can see report a problem right here, right? So you click on report a problem and you'll be asked to shake your phone, but if you after shaking it doesn't have any solution, you are going to click on continue and include in reports. You can take a screenshot of the message they sent to you and you can include it, and now you have to select where you're having the issue. So you have to click on profile right here and you'll be given the chance to explain what the issue is. So after the explaining, you cannot add the screenshot and send it. So within 24 hours Facebook is going to send you a solution on that. So this is how to actually fix the problem on your profile. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.